Hello world and welcome to my channel. This video is on the unboxing of a Kings Cyclone Drone. Now it's a cheap drone, it's $79 at the moment. I'm going to box it, charge it and learn to fly. So if it crashes and destroys it, it's not the end of the world, but then I might buy a different one and make a Maverick or something like that. But Kings Drone. Okay. Righto, so I'm going to open it up now. As I said, it was $79 today. End of financial year sale they have at Kings in Townsville. I'll open it up. If I can learn to fly this. So, that's what's in the box. You have the drone and the controller on the top. And then underneath you have some blade protectors, spare blades, which is going to come in handy for me. Spare battery and the user manual and booklet. So that's all in the box underneath the top lot. Put those in there, that is the controller. I'll have to read the instructions. Not an Aussie thing to do, I suppose, but I'm going to read the instructions and I'm an electrician, so I always read instructions. And that's the drone. Fold it out like that and like that. There you are. It's a Cyclone Drone. Pretty lightweight. I wouldn't want it having high winds. You only have a front mounted camera on it. But who knows, if I crash it and keep crashing and break it, I break it. But, I'm going to have a go at it. This is the controller. Fold those out. Probably needs to be charged. And they're the toggles. This fast smartphone will fit in here. Like that. You put the phone in there and then you toggle it and you can view it on the phone. It's going to take a lot of practice. Okay, well, I'm going to charge everything up now and I will practice at it. Take a video of practicing it at it, and if I crash it, I crash it. But yeah. Just fold everything up. Put it back in the box. I'll charge it up. Okay. Right, the charging cable was in with the propellers, and with the propellers are nuts and bolts and things, and clips. So the controller, it has space for 2 AAA batteries. They're not rechargeable, so you probably can get rechargeable ones, but I'm just going to use ordinary alkaline long life batteries and put them in. So yeah, I'm going to charge this up and see what happens. I'm just using my cold steel knife. It is Black Sable, made by Ray. Cutlery Handcraft in the USA. I don't know if it's any good, know nothing about knives, but I've got a couple of these. Yeah. So yeah, I've got a couple of those. Okay, well, I'll charge it up, see what happens. Damn, I wish it was a DJI Mini SE. Damn, it won't keep going straight. Can't control it. Definitely can't control it. One more time. glad you reminded me.